Kuya Pasuyo.
Let's go.
So on the back, we have Kuya Toto. On the front, we have Handsome Renz. Opo po kayo, sir. Opo.
Our day 5 here in El Nido, Palawan. Hindi na umuulan. Pero baka umulan daw mamayang hapon based sa weather forecast. Actually guys, this is our last day, so good thing makakapag-island tour na tayo on our last day. 4 days na kami dito pero hindi tayo nakakapag-island tour dahil nga sa restrictions due to weather. So good thing makakapag-island tour na tayo today. So excited to see the beauty of El Nido, Palawan, yung mga beaches nila. So with that, let's go. Muna na tayo dun sa travel and tours. Tayo ay magbabayad na dito. Ayan. So we're getting tour A. You have to pay. Nagkasakit na ako kagabi, nilagnat. Not feeling well today pero kaya pa naman. Dahil palaging nasa labas, palaging puyat. And now we're here. Look at that. Okay, so we have to wear life jacket daw muna bago tayo umakyat dun sa bangka. And now with life jacket na maliit, akyat na tayo doon.
Na, mababasa na.
Okay, so medyo malalim. Go Ken, abot nyo daw yung mga gamit. Okay.
Wala yung mataas, sir. Mamaya, baba na yan.
Kuya Pasuyo.
Let's go.
Sign that, then we're gonna continue your tour. Okay? So on the back, we have Kuya Toto. On the front, we have Handsome Renz. Yeah, and of course we have Captain Jack, but his real name is Captain Bong. Okay?
So we're here, kailangan na magbiglago, kailangan magkayak para makapasok sa biglagon. Let's do some kayak.
Kayak. 100 kilo kayo sa akin. Sarang inyo. 1 hour. Opo po kayo, sir. Opo. Ay, delikado. Nasa right side.
Let's explore the Blue Lagoon. Yan. We're here. Ganda ng the view. Yes. Of course, we're done with the picture.